Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rico and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna go over exactly how you find out how much your items are worth on eBay. So whether you got stuff sitting in the garage or you planning on going out and finding stuff to flip, this guide is gonna teach you exactly how to do that. So like always, man, if you like my content, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. It tells the algorithm that your boy is working hard. So that's enough of me talking. Let's get into the content y'all came to see. So, how much is my stuff worth on eBay? You probably have hundreds of dollars of stuff in your garage right now, but you don't know what it's worth. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to find out what your items are worth, all right? And I'm gonna also cover different examples of items that we all have laying around that I sold and you can sell too. Probably thinking, bro, don't nobody want my starter jacket from the 90s, right? Well, you're wrong, okay? eBay is a place where buyers are actually looking for that old, used, rare, discounted stuff, okay? So everything from mouthwash to DVDs actually sell on eBay. Now, let's jump right into finding items to list, okay? When I first started selling on eBay, I went and listed old clothes that I couldn't fit no more. I had gained a bunch of weight, shoes that I didn't wear anymore, and I even think some electronics that I might have had, old phones, and that I might have broken or whatever. And so if you think you don't have nothing to sell, then you should rethink how important it is for you to sell it or get into the flipping game, okay? Remember, if you have no money, you can use this money to start you off in a whole flipping career, okay? So this is how you find out what an item is worth, okay? Knowing what an item is worth is vital to selling your pieces. You don't want to give them away for too cheap. However, you also don't want to have them sitting there for too long because you have them listed at so high. So here's how we're going to check and see what the items are worth, all right? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your item and then you're going to search it on eBay, okay? Now, don't do a general search. Don't do polo sweatshirt, all right? Search the exact sweatshirt, okay? In this example, search for blue Ralph Lauren sweatshirt, okay? You will start to see the exact item that you have, all right? In this example, the blue Ralph Lauren sweatshirt might be worth way more than the others based on several reasons, and that's why it's important. It could be from a different season, it can be from a different catalog. The next thing you're gonna do, this is very important, so listen up. Always, always, always filter by sold listings, okay? One of the biggest mistakes people make when selling on eBay is when they're trying to determine the value of something, they look at all the other listings, all right? So here's an example of how you can take my Yeezy Utility Black 700s, right? And you can search on eBay and you see that there's a listing for $399, and you might get excited and say, oh man, my shoes are worth $400. Well, when you sort by sold listings, then you'll see that while there is a pair that sold for $400, most commonly these shoes sell for about $250 to $300. So that's what they're consistently selling for, and so that's going to be a better assessment of the value of that item, okay? You can still list them for the high end if you want, if you're not in a rush. However, they're going to sit, okay? Now, if maximum profit is your goal and you don't mind them sitting, then hey, that's fine. All right, so now that you know what your items are worth and how to go in and find it, that's right, that was just 2 simple steps. Now you can go out in that garage or wherever and see what you got for sale. Now this part is very important as well, so listen up again. This is a very important but brief rundown of listing fees, eBay fees, and also shipping fees and PayPal fees, all right? That's right, everybody wants their cut. So the way eBay works is there's a fee for listing, there's a fee for selling, and then shipping and PayPal fees. The average fee on eBay is 35 cents per listing. So if you list $100, you're gonna come out about $35, which honestly isn't bad. And the reason why is because once you get 100 items listed, you're more than likely making sales every single day. So it'll be worth it. The sale fee is 10%, and you can only max that out at $750, right? So it's either going to be 10% of the sale, not exceeding $750. So let's say you sell an item for $9,000, and although 10% of 9,000 is 900, you would still only have to pay a $750 sale fee, okay? Now, shipping and PayPal, you don't have to pay for out of pocket. And the reason why is because you can include the shipping and the PayPal fee in your price, or you can simply charge customers shipping, all right? Now, before you get scared and say, oh, I don't want to charge my customers shipping, you got to understand something about eBay. eBay is not Amazon, all right? So the eBay buyers aren't spoiled by the fast and free shipping that's on Amazon. So they don't mind paying for shipping, right? And they also don't mind that it's going to be 3 to 4 days instead of 1 day like Amazon has got us all spoiled to believe. So now here's a quick rundown on the best and most common items that we all have laying around, and also what I sold the most of, okay? The number one thing is clothing. That's right. Clothing is one of the biggest selling markets on eBay, actually, and people are always looking for brands for a discount, okay? I'm sure we all got some clothes that we don't wear anymore, and before you think that your clothes suck, just list them, man. You don't know. There's a guy looking for that Lacoste shirt that you don't wear anymore because Lacoste ain't in style no more, all right? Number two thing, video games, all right? Now, I'm not even talking about the current gen, PS4, Xbox One. I'm talking about I sold straight 360 games, Xbox 360. This is the thing. The older video games, definitely, unless it's a rare game, it does not give you a good profit margin. Like they're only going for $2, $3, right? But here's where you gain. Number one, it was sitting in your garage and it was not getting played with. You're not losing anything there. They sell like hotcakes, and they can help you get your sales number up and get your reviews number up. People are more likely to buy from someone who's made sales before and has a record of doing good transactions and good business. So video games definitely help you achieve that. Sneakers, all right? Now, even if you're not a sneakerhead, or if you are a sneakerhead, you can sell your old shoes, okay? They can be in terrible condition, all right? There's actually people whose main job is to find shoes for cheap on eBay, restore them, and then sell them for a profit. So there's even a market for your beaters, and my sneakerheads know what beaters mean, all right? The last thing that me and my wife sold on eBay that sold like hotcakes and surprised me was her purses. Now, that's right, I don't own any of the purses. However, my wife does, and we sold a bunch of her old purses that she didn't use, okay? Remember, brands sell on eBay. So Michael Kors, Coach, all that type of stuff. If you're a lady, or if you are a lady and you have these type of purses laying around and you've moved on from them, they can be dirty, they can be missing a strap. That's money in your pocket that was just sitting there in your closet, garage, or something like that. So please take advantage of that. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up today, YouTube. Hopefully I was able to cover and teach you how to find the value of your items that you have laying around, or it doesn't have to be laying around. Maybe it was just something that you wanted to find the value of. You've seen it in the store, and maybe you could sell it for more. So that's gonna wrap it up today, man. Hopefully I was able to accurately help y'all with that. If you have any questions, if you need any help, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I respond to everybody and I help everybody. So like always, if you like my content, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. That's gonna wrap it up for me tonight. Love everybody out there. Let's get it.